yun um, between the impeachment court at saka yung mga senador pa sila in session, in Senate session, Attorney Mike.
Alam mo, ganda ng tanong mo, Prof. Ricky, no? And I think very basic yung rule of thumb natin dapat, no? Kapag senator judge sila,
Oo.
essentially they should just keep their mouth shut.
Yun.
No? Kumbaga, meron presiding officer, kumbaga decides on the trial matters, like yung objection.
Yes.
But the rest of them, they should just keep their mouth shut. Pigilan na nila yung sarili nila magsalita. Because every time they open their mouth, they will reveal their partiality.
Yun. Judge ka na eh.
Right?
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
Now, of course, sabi sa rules of procedure nila, they can ask questions, no? They have 2 minutes each to ask questions. Nasa rules yun nila. So, but they should use that, for a lack of a better term, judiciously.
Oo.
No? Hindi dapat nila ginagamit yon as if nasa session pa sila or they are conducting an inquiry in aid of legislation. So they have to be able to distinguish. And rule of thumb dapat is keep your mouth shut unless you really have to ask something. Kumbaga, meron ka talagang hindi naiintindihan, or meron kang hindi narinig, o meron kang gustong i-clarify.
Oo. Ayun. Eh di, oo.
Prof. Ricky, can I give an example?
Go ahead. Oo.